stock.
All right.
Morning.
Yeah, so yesterday we hit 94 degrees in the city of Providence. More 90s ahead for today, tomorrow, maybe Wednesday as well. And on top of it, we're monitoring some air quality. We typically do see this when we've got hot and humid, excessive heat on the way. So we have noticed that our air quality has dropped a bit. That means low level ozone, but also that paired together with still some wildfire smoke leaves us hazy. But there are a few areas with an actual air quality alert in effect through this evening. That's some of Connecticut. So we are monitoring the potential for some of this to slide over southern Rhode Island today. Either way, hot and humid, you're probably going to want to limit your time outdoors regardless of that. But we've got another hot one ahead. Yesterday was our first 90-degree day of the year, June 24th. Typically our average first 90-degree day is June 4th, so it was a little later this year, but we are making up for it with several days in the 90s just ahead. Low 70s to start though right now from our People's Credit Union Skycam network from Flo's Clam Shack. Calm winds for at night, high humidity though. It's probably why I don't see any beach walkers out there this morning. Visibility is good. Again, a little hazy out there. Temperatures much warmer this morning than how we started off yesterday too, signaling to us another very, very warm one on the way. Starting out this morning in the upper 70s and low 80s during your morning commute. Tons of sunshine. So keep in mind, we're steadily seeing those temperatures rise even early this morning, and that includes the coastline. AC is pumping today. It's going to be the big story this work week as well. Now, as we head towards this afternoon, here's a look at where we're topping out at. Lower to mid 90s throughout the interior. The further up towards the Rhode Island, Massachusetts state line you are, the hotter it'll be with some 80s at the beaches. A little bit of relief today there because of a coastal breeze we'll be tapping into. That's why by later this evening, before the sun goes down, we're still in the low to mid 80s throughout the interior, but some lower 70s at the coastline. It'll be feeling a lot hotter though than those low to mid 90s today, feeling like almost 100 degrees. But tomorrow, our actual air temperature is actually nearing 100 alone. Wall-to-wall sunshine for us tomorrow, and this is why tomorrow is the most dangerous heat day of the work week as our inland temperatures do near 100. I wouldn't be surprised if some do touch it, and on top of that, the high tropical humidity. So when you pair those two things together, it'll be feeling like 100 to maybe 110 degrees throughout our afternoon tomorrow, especially hottest around the city of Providence. We're looking at those temperatures just widespread surging with only some slight relief at the beaches and the coastline. Hazy, hot and humid weather does continue into Wednesday, but we do see a pattern switch up by the end of the week and into the weekend, knocking back our temperatures a bit and welcoming in some cooler, cloudier conditions. So that's what we'll be tracking by Wednesday, Thursday and Friday heading into the weekend. It's actually a dramatic drop as this cold front makes its way through Wednesday night into Thursday, bringing us from the 90s into the 70s. Now it starts off with a few thunderstorms kicking off Wednesday evening. That's why we're still able to near that 90-degree mark on Wednesday, but some of us might not touch it. Still an incredibly hot and humid day though. A few convective storms popping up, but by Thursday that cold front has slid across the region, so we're cooler in the 70s. Still muggy, but we're looking at mostly cloudy skies and a couple scattered showers or storms, and we're still a little unsettled too as we get closer to the weekend. Coming up, I have more details on the potential for a little bit more rain as we approach Friday and Saturday. Allison.